Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not uploading on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve not uploading on Discord app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Discord. You will go here to Discord app. Then you can click on force stop. After that, you can click on storage. Then you can click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi here, and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.